Good morning, children. And today we are going to be practicing some more of our digraphs. And we're going to be practicing our sounds ch, sh, e, a. So on your boards, and if you haven't got a board and you've got a piece of paper and a pencil, that's fine. You can still do the same job. So on your board or your piece of paper, I would like you to write me the ch, ch, ch sound. So I'm going to count back from 5 to 0 and I'd like you to write me the ch sound on your board. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, in 0. And you should have written your ch sound, it's a curly cur, and right next door, almost holding hands, is your h. And did you notice I did that h as a long ladder down, a little way back up and then over, and I didn't take my pen off. Next door to your ch sound, I want you to leave a finger space, and I would like you to write your sh sound. So in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, in 0, can you write me your sh sound? And you should have written a s and a h. And again, a nice long ladder down, little way back up and over, and I haven't taken my pen off. Then we're going to leave a finger space, and then we're going to write the A sound in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, in 0. And you should have written an A, which is a curly cur, up, up, down, down on the same line with a small slide. And then next door to it, it's an I, which is down, down, and a small slide, and then a dot on the top. And can you see they are the same size, nice and close together? The last sound we're going to do is our long E sound. So on your board, write me your E sound in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, in 0. And you should have written an E and an E. And can you see again, they're nice and close and they are the same size. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use these sounds to write some words. And the first word we're going to write is the word weed. Weed. And weeds are something that grows in the garden. A dandelion is a weed. So what you need to do is you need to get that word out of your mouth so your ears can hear the sound. So you're going to say weed, weed. And then you say it slowly so your ears can hear the sounds that are making the word. So we're going to say w-e-d. So on your board, I'd like you to write the word weed in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. And I'm going to write it. You should have written w-e, and there's my long E sound. Did you choose the right digraph? E-d. Okay, and the next sound we're going to do is we're going to write the word ship. Ship. We're going to write the word ship. So you need to get that word out of your mouth. Ship. Ship. And then we're going to say it slowly like a robot, and you're going to hear the sounds that make the word. Listen. Sh, it, p. So write the word ship on your board in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, and you should have written sh. That's our sh digraph. It. What goes on the end? Sh. It. That's right. It's a p. Ship. The next sound we're going to write, the next word we're going to write is paid. Paid. So get it out of your mouth. Paid. Paid. Now get it out slowly. Paid. And now write it on your board in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, and you should have written aid. Paid. Did you choose the correct digraph, that A sound, in our word paid? And the last word we're going to write is the word chop. Chop. You get it out of your mouth. Chop. Chop. Now say it slowly. Op. And now write it on your boards by 5, by 4, by 3, by 2, by 1, and you should have written ch. Op. Chop. now, your next job that you're going to do independently is you're going to pick 2 of those words and you're going to write me a sentence. So on your board, do me 2 lines that go right the way across, and use those lines to see if you can get your words sitting on the line, using your finger spaces, and more importantly, make sure you can read it back to tell me what it says. And that job you're going to do now by yourselves. Be brave, guys. I know you can do it.